Hi guys, it's Naomi and welcome to my gluten-free, allergy-friendly kitchen. Today I am very excited because I'm going to teach you how to make one of my favorite things, which is Campbell's style tomato soup, condensed. Now, in my family, we use this for a lot of different recipes. So we don't just have grilled cheese and tomato soup. We have this in casseroles and with different sauces with meats. So it's a great base. If you can't have, if you can't have gluten-free or Campbell's soup because you can't have the gluten or you can't have the dairy, then you need to stick around. And remember, if you're watching this on Facebook, I'm live, so you can feel free to ask questions. Hi, Patrick. Sometimes I catch them, sometimes I don't. If you're watching this on YouTube, you can make sure to subscribe if you want more gluten-free and allergy-friendly recipes. And you can pop over to Facebook and talk to me, okay? So let's get started. When you see how easy this is, you're going to freak out, all right? So, we ready? Now, I'm going to post, after I get off of the video, I'm going to post the link to our recipe, which is at betterbatter.org. Our recipe is scaled for either 1 can, 2 cans, or 3 cans of tomato soup. And since I'm making a casserole tonight, I'm going to go ahead and make the big version. All right? The first thing you're going to need is a 28-ounce can of either tomato sauce, tomato puree, or crushed tomatoes. Now let me tell you what the difference is and what you can expect depending on what you use. Tomato sauce is going to give you such a startlingly similar result as Campbell's soup that your brain is going to freak out. It's got a little bit of onion, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar already in it. And I find that that makes the difference. But in our house, we are, unfortunately, 2 of us are allergic to onions. So I use just a plain crushed tomato or tomato puree. Crushed tomato is going to give you a little more texture. And tomato puree is going to give you that condensed soup smoothness. So 28 ounces, just going to pour it in. And to that, we're going to add 3 tablespoons of Better Batter flour. Okay, just dump it in. And we are also going to add brown sugar. Now, if you are diabetic, or if you're on a sugar-restricted diet, or if, like me, you're just trying to save a few calories because you overate it at the holidays, then you can use a sugar-free substitute. I just got turned on to this one called Swerve. No, they're not paying me to say that, but it's really kind of good. I've tried monk fruit, granulated monk fruit, and then also coconut palm sugar. As long as it kind of has the taste, I think you could probably use date sugar too, but as long as it has the taste of brown sugar, you should be okay. Once again, 1/4 cup plus 1½ teaspoons. Okay, dump that in. Now, yes, it's a lot of sweetener. If you've ever tasted Campbell's tomato soup, it's sweet and salty, along with being tomatoey. And then you're going to add your last ingredient. I know, like what, 4 ingredients? That's crazy. Last ingredient, 1½ teaspoons of salt. Now, you could use Himalayan sea salt. You could use whatever salt you want. Today, I'm using real salt, but it doesn't really matter. It'll be a little salty or a little less salty, depending on what salt you use, but you'll be used to that. Okay, are we ready? We're just going to smush it up. This is a recipe, if you have kids or grandkids, this is a great recipe. Now, what's going to happen as the sugar and the salt and the flour combine, the mixture's going to thicken a little bit, and the smell is going to hit you. Suddenly, it's going to be like you're having Campbell's soup, and you are going to love it. You let that sit for 5 minutes, and you're ready to go. I'm going to take a minute, and I'm going to try to read some things. My old eyes are having a struggle with the horizontal words, but I'm going to read some comments and see if I can answer some questions. Hey, Chandra. The final product, is it a clone of what you can buy in the Campbell in a can, or the clone of the prepared? Okay, Chandra, this is a clone of the condensed soup, meaning if you wanted to take this soup, you can see it is really thick. You wanted to take this soup and drink it for toasted cheese sandwiches? you would need to dilute this. For every can, for every one batch, I made 3 today, but for every one batch, you would use 1 1/3 cups of water, milk, or dairy-free milk. And that would be your cream of soup. This is the condensed version, okay? Does that answer your questions? You're just gonna let it sit, and then you can store it in the fridge for about a week. You could freeze it for probably 2 months. Or if you're like me and you're gonna make a casserole tonight, you could just use it right away. That's it. I don't know what to tell you. It really is that simple. You can whip this up in less time than it takes you to drive to the grocery store. And if, like me, you have multiple allergies, this is a perfect substitute. Remember, if you want to get more recipes and you're on Facebook, go ahead and hit the follow me button. It's somewhere over here. If you are on YouTube and you want to get more recipes, make sure to like and hit the subscribe button, and we'll go right to your inbox every week. We do a recipe every Wednesday. And I have a few extra minutes, so I am going to show you something fantastic, okay? I'm excited about this. You guys requested it, so I bit the bullet and I spent the money. Keep in mind, I don't get paid for working at Better Batter. I don't make a dime, and this is all out of my pocket. So if you want to buy some Better Batter, this helps me to meet your request. Look what I bought. Dun, 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 dun! Instant Pot! So, I'm super excited about developing some gluten-free, allergy-friendly Instant Pot recipes, but I need your help, okay? So here's some things I need you to do. I need you to tell me what you want me to make in the Instant Pot. I also need you, if you're part of the Instant Pot community, to get them to tell me what they want me to make. I'm going to go crazy with the Instant Pot, and we're going to test real recipes from the community, and I'll even make some new ones of my own, but I need your help to do that. Now, YouTube has told me that I have 30 days to get 2,000 subscribers. Yippity skippity. Okay, I love you guys, so I don't really care if you subscribe or not. But I thought, might as well have some fun with this. So I'm letting you guys know that if you would like to have a free Instant Pot shipped direct to your door, I am going to ask you to do me a favor, and I'm going to pick one friend, one of my besties, and I'm going to send them an Instant Pot. Here's how it's going to go. I need you guys, so I know you're my friends, I need you to either subscribe at my YouTube channel, which would help me, or I need you to share this video on Facebook and let people know. If you like and comment on what you want me to make with the Instant Pot, or if you share the video and comment on what you want me to make with the Instant Pot, or if on YouTube you subscribe and let me know what you want me to make with the Instant Pot, then I'll know you're my friend, and one of my friends is going to get an Instant Pot sent right to their door if I reach my 2,000 subscribers. And I'm going to give it a week. So we have till next Wednesday. If I get there, I get there. If I don't get there, we're going to be sad. And I'll do something else fun, okay? I love you guys. I am going to log off right now. I'm going to go ahead and put the recipe up. I'll probably answer some questions that are posting live on Facebook right now. And then I might do a bonus. I might pop on for question and answer or tea. Okay? Not sure yet. Depends on how much time I have before the kids come home. But anyway, I love you guys. I hope to hear from you soon. And don't forget, if you have anything you need me to take care of, I am only a click away. Okay? Talk to you later. Bye.